Hi guys, good afternoon! Welcome na naman dito sa aming vlog number 2.
Vlog number 2.
Yeah. So ngayon, dahil dinner time dito, so magluluto kami ng dinner namin. Of course, Filipino food, ayan. Do you like Filipino food?
No. Of course I do.
Why do you like Filipino food?
Why?
Yeah.
There's so many different things to what we have. If you like to try food from different countries,
Yeah.
then I recommend Filipino food.
Really
Very
the
good.
best, isn't it?
It's very good.
Lalo na dito sa sa England, dahil nga malayo kami sa mga pagkaing Pinoy. So, nag-practice ako magluto talaga para syempre pag gusto ko kumain ng Filipino food, alam ko na. What time is it, Lavis? Now,
is
7:45?
7:45.
Oo. 7:45, pero yung sa gabi ha, tingnan niyo yung labas. Sobrang maliwanag dahil pa-summer na nga, kaya napaka-bright pa sa labas. So, anyway, magluluto kami ngayon ng dinner namin, Filipino food, syempre. Dahil Pinoy naman, di ba? So, ayan, magluto muna kami, guys. Na-prepare ko na siya lahat ng mga kailangan. So, meron akong dito, adobo, ayan. Adobo, meron akong palang baboy. Yeah, I have pork na para adobo. Ang ang nag-prepare, naghiwa. Si Jusawa ko, ayan. So, ayan, meron tayong onion, garlic, then ginger para sa, alam niyo ba yung inununan? Inununan sa isda, yung pinaksiw na isda, ayan. Tapos ito naman isa sa adobo na baboy. So, meron akong, syempre, may garlic, tapos onions, spring onions, then onions, yun lang. And then, meron akong soy sauce, and then, oyster sauce, oil, and vinegar. At ito pala, ilagay ko to sa yung banana blossom. Ilagay ko siya sa isdang paksiw at itong isang talong. So, ayan, ilagay natin yung ginger. And then, meron ako dito, paminta, black pepper na, ground black pepper, yan. And then, lagay natin ang onions. Ganyan. And then garlic. Tapos, ilagay natin yung isda. Ayan. Yes, meron akong nabili ng isda dito. Pumunta kami sa Costco. And, ayan, nakabili ako ng isda. And then, ganyan. Hugas muna tayo ng kamay. Tapos, lagyan ko lang siya ng magic sarap. Ito kasi yung nagpapasarap, yung magic sarap. Alam nyo ba, sa Pilipinas, hindi ako nagluluto. Talagang dito lang ako natuto magluto sa England. Kasi, kailangan mo matuto magluto dito. Lalo na ako, ayaw ko ng mga pagkain dito na English food, I don't like. Kaya, yun. So, lagyan natin ng suka. Yan. Kunti lang. Baby, you can say something. Why, you are...
I'm just learning. I'm just watching and learning.
Yan. Kunting tubig lang. Natin. Yan. Takpan natin. Wala na akong time mag-fry pa. So, ilagay ko na diretso dito. So, ang gawin natin dito, parang i-marinate lang. Lagyan natin ng peppercorn. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Kailangan natin i-mix. And then, vinegar. Lagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce.
Delicious. My favorite adobo.
Tapos, ilagay ko na tong mga
Onion?
panakot, onion, kanyan. Iba yung process niya, pero the same lang yung kalalabasan nito.
Is that ginger?
There you go. So, yun lang. And then, so, ayan, hayaan muna natin siya dyan na kumulo yung dalawa. So, ayan, tikman na natin ang ating lechon paksiw. Ha? Lechon paksiw. Isdang paksiw pala. Mag-light nga ako, ayan. Tikman na natin. So, ito na yung isdang paksiw natin. Hindi ko pa nilagay yung talong dahil ayaw kong ma-overcook. So, nilagyan ko siya ng banana blossoms. Ayan. Tikman natin. Ayan. Oh, wow. Sarap. So, ayan. Ilagay na natin yung talong. Alam nyo ba, masarap din na paliyar yung ilagay sa talong. Mahilig kasi ako sa talong. Charot! So, ayan, takpan natin. At hayaan na naman natin kumulo. Actually, luto na yung isda eh. Oh, wow. So, ito yung adobo. Marami pa siyang sabaw. Hayaan lang siya natin na mag-absorb yung sauce. Gagawa tayo ng sausawan. Meron akong lime. Dahil wala kaming limonsito dito, kaya lime yung gagamitin ko. Then meron akong kamatis, dalawa. Masarap sana pag yung may limonsito. Wala kasing limonsito dito eh. Are you okay? Tapos, lagyan natin ng kamatis. Dahil, masarap pag may kamatis ang sausawan. Ay! Sarap nito. Tapos meron akong fried na ulo ng isda. I think isa lang pala na kamatis. Okay na. Grabe. Okay na to. Isa lang pala na kamatis gagamitin ko. Tingnan niyo oh. Nakita niyo ba? Kamatis. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng tabasco. Oh. Yan. Okay na yan. Yeah. Prepare the table. Yeah.
What else do we need?
I want Sprite.
Sprite.
Like with ice. Yeah.
On it.
So, ayan. Meron akong fried na ulo ng isda.
Sprite with ice.
Yes, babe, ice.
Ice and Sprite.
Yung pantry namin. Ma'am, uy, put it later. Yes, okay. That's fine. Let's check the inununan. Ayan, luto na yung luto na tong isda. Wow. So, ayan. Sarap yan. Isaw-saw sa The adobo. the adobo. Mix the adobo, babe. Use the no, the other one.
This one.
Yan. Oh, I'm so excited na kumain, oy. Are you excited to eat?
Very hungry.
I am.
And it's my favourite was adobo, so yeah, very excited.
So, ayan, luto na lahat. So, ito na yung isdang pinaksiw na maraming talong. And then, yung adobo, pork adobo. Siyempre, may rice. Tapos, may sausawan ako dito. And then, may fried na, ulo ng isda. So, ayun. Yun lang yung dinner namin. Kaya, kakain na kami. Yan. Kain na kami. Siyempre, ako magkamay ako dahil I'm using my hand because I am a Filipino. That is for the adobo and this is for the fish here.
Lovely.
So nice.
One more.
Mabuti na lang at kumakain to ng mga Filipino food. Except the
Bullet. Huh?
and the dried fish.
Oh, dried fish. No.
Yeah. Yan.
One bone.
Be careful, that's a really
Yeah. You have to be really careful.
lots of bones with that.
That's the only thing with
Kuha tayo ng talong. Isda. Kuha tayo ng isda. Isang isda. Tapos meron ako ditong yan. Yung puso ng saging. Uy! How's the adobo?
Good.
So good.
No. Always. Always.
Yan, gustong-gusto niya talaga ang adobo. At saka, chicken adobo. Do you like also chicken adobo, Yam?
Yeah. Chicken pork.
Sarap ko talaga kumain pag nakakamay. Alangan naman, nakapaa. Unahan ko na kayo. It's really nice.
Cheers.
The sauce, so good. Yun nga. So back home, I don't even know how to cook. Well, except rice, I know how to cook rice.
That's amazing.
Nung lumalaki kami, yung nanay talaga namin lagi nagluluto.
Where did you learn to cook? Or just teach yourself?
When I live alone, that's where I learn how to cook. Because obviously,
You have to.
and also it's really expensive. Imagine if you're eating outside
Oh, no.
all the time,
No.
even the carinderia. It's expensive, so it's better to learn how to cook. Good fish.
That was nice.
Pero mas masarap talaga yung isda natin sa Pilipinas. Grabe, sarap. Sarap talaga. Minsan pag hindi ko alam yung lulutuin ko, syempre may YouTube. 'Di ba? YouTube tayo. Sarap ng isda. Ulo ng isda, oh. Masarap din to, eh. Yan. Yeah. For sure, mom always cook. Yeah.
Yeah. Because we didn't really have like lots of processed food or freezer. It was like
Fresh.
everything, yeah, no processed food. No takeaways, obviously, in those days. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, so everybody cook.
Yeah.
Always like, you know, when you come home from school or your dad comes from work,
Yeah.
there's always a meal on the table. Because most in those days, women didn't work. They stayed at home and did the house and cooking.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, there was always food.
Like you're playing outside,
Oh,
waiting for food.
yeah.
We always like that.
Yeah.
You know what?
You wait for the call.
Yeah. Me
Food's ready.
and my sister were like because we have a small veranda. We're playing there, and then when food cook ready, mom calls us.
Yeah.
Come on, food is ready.
Come on.
And
Hurry up.
and if we don't listen,
Trouble.
yeah. But yeah, mom always cook for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's the best food ever. Food okay?
Delicious.
Ang sarap pala ng puso ng saging, banana blossoms. Masarap pala siya ilagay sa isda. First time ko to ginawa. Kasi meron ako nito, nabili ko sa Asian shop. Kasi sayang naman, sabi ko, halo ko na lang. Meron akong Sprite. To drink. What's that?
Sprite.
So, ayan. Tapos na kami mag dinner. Sabi, busog na busog ako eh. Did you have enough?
Yes, I'm very, very full. Very full. Delicious.
Excuse me. So, dahil ako yung nagluto, because I was the one who cook.
I'm the one to clean. That is the deal.
Yes. Did you have enough?
Oh, I am so full. I'm so full.
O yan, maghugas ka ng plato dahil ikaw ay nabusog na. That's your drink.
Thank you.
So, ayan. So, tapos na kami mag-dinner. That was really good though.
Very good.
Yeah, it was really good. So,
Full.
busog na busog siya eh. Dami niyang nakain na adobo. So, ayan guys, salamat sa panunood at sa mga manunood pa lang nito ay sana mag-like and subscribe naman kayo para ay madagdagan naman yung subscriber namin. So, ayan, have a good night. Mag-ingat kayong lahat. See you next time.